read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's letter is lowercase letter u. What are the expected learning outcomes? Okay, the student is expected to identify the lowercase letter u and learn the words that start with the sound a. Yes, look at this image first of all. Here are only two pictures. One is umbrella and the other one is umpire. But you have to give introduction of different images, pictures, and objects that start with letter U and its sound. Okay, like umpire is sitting under this tree. Umpire is sitting under this tree. Yes, up, under, umbrella, and umpire. Very good. So, you will teach the formation of U, its sound, vocabulary words, and make different flashcards. After that, you will show to the students and ask different questions about these objects. So, let's start how we will teach the formation of letter U. Start from second line. Start from second line. Come straight down, turn. Go up, come straight down, make a small loop. It will make small U. The letter name is U and the sound of U is up. Umbrella. Up. Umpire. The umpire holds an umbrella. The umpire holds an umbrella. Who holds the umbrella? Ali. Umer. No, umpire. What color is the umbrella? You will ask from the student and they will tell you about the color of umbrella. After that, you will say to them that they have to pretend that they are holding an umbrella in their hand and they will say, uh, umbrella, uh, umbrella. I hope so you understood today's lecture and you will teach very well to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.